What's happening, E-Crew? Welcome back to the channel. We're here around City of Industry and La Puente on a quest to look for a locksmith to get a key for our Super73 S2. Our newly acquired Super73 S2. I hate street riding because here it's always 40 miles per hour. And obviously, this bike doesn't go that fast. In any case, I never thought I would buy another Super73 S2. But this guy on Facebook Marketplace gave me a really good deal because he did not have the key to this battery. So let's get a pull over here and get a good look of our steed today. I already made some changes. He gave it to me, everything was stock. I already changed the seat, already did some cable management, extra accessories. However, this is the Gen 1 Super73 S2. It still has this variant of fender, and also it has like the V1 controller and 12-volt converter. It has a tension still, chain tension. It obviously has a V1 motor, but it's in tip-top condition. I never thought I would have another Super73 S2, but we love this model so much, and he gave me such a good deal that I couldn't refuse, as long as I was okay with not having a key. He did not have the battery keys, and obviously you don't need a key to operate the bike. You just need the key to remove the battery. And we've owned our other Super73 S2s, and honestly, I rarely remove the battery. Oh, this is a tight fit. Okay. I rarely remove the battery, so I told him it's a deal. He gave me a really good price that I couldn't refuse on Facebook Marketplace. So here we are. But now we're just venturing, looking for a locksmith locally that can hopefully provide us some replacement keys. Let's see if we can be successful in the quest today. Let's go a little fast. Looks like there's a road work up ahead of us. Typically I have work. However, I am feeling sick today. Had to call in sick. My gosh, I could hear all the clanking on my chain. And I absolutely hate how fast people have to drive around my neck of the woods. Everything is over 40 miles per hour. And not really ideal for moped riding. But it is what it is. Alright, crossing the bridge to go to El Monte. Let's get it. Yay, there's a bike lane. Sort of. Is this a bike lane? Kind of, yeah. I'll take it. I'm really going to be very disciplined, hopefully, in acquiring any more e-bikes this year. If anything, I need to sell more e-bikes because my garage is full. I'm running out of space in the home. Alright, City of El Monte. Haven't been here in a while. And people are just trying to stop me and talk to me for whatever reason. And I'm not entertaining people today. First of all, I'm a little sick. and I don't really care to say what they might have to say to me. First stop called AC Lock and Key Locksmith in El Monte. Let's check them out. Hopefully it's going to be the first and only stop today. Hunting for a locksmith that can give us some spare keys for this e-bike. Literally, some guy was just going, hey, and then trying to whistle at me. I don't know what he wanted, but I don't care. All right, if I'm not mistaken, we have arrived here. It's actually not bad driving in El Monte. Speed limit is only 35 miles per hour, and we keep up with traffic just fine. But yeah, here we are, AC Lock and Key. Let's check out what they can... Let's check out, and hopefully that they can assist us. Okay, so funny story. The owner, Juan, just mentioned that, hello. What's that?
How far can you go on that?
30 miles? 30.
It's LA back to spot, right?
Yeah, pretty much. And you just charge it like a phone, yeah. 30 miles per hour.
Yeah, you blow me away, right?
Play at 30 miles, yeah.
Yes, that's so.
Yeah.
Yeah, man, take care of it.
You too.
How much that cost?
It's like 3,000 now.
3,000?
Yeah, it used to be 2,500, but now it's...
Let's start going down.
Yeah.
All right, you take care, man.
You too. Yeah. People stop you so much on this bike still. Anyhow, the store owner mentioned that come back on Tuesday. Let me get to a quieter street. Come back on Tuesday because he needs to get like a blank key, and that not too long ago, just also an electric biker just came in with a similar bike. He said, asking for the same thing. He lost his e-bike keys, but he said come back on Tuesday and it should be around $45, and he should be able to do it. Maybe I should have just called in hindsight, but if I just called, I wouldn't get this bike ride opportunity. And you know me, I like to bike. But maybe let's Google for another locksmith maybe nearby. Let's give this locksmith a try. Let's go see about if he can help me out. Mobile service. But I remember last time he wasn't able to help me trying to get a spare surron key. But we never know. Let's ask. Hello. Are you able to get a key? No? Do you know where I might be able to get a key for this? Okay. Alright, thank you. Yep, useless as ever. Just says no. Alright folks, that's going to be the vlog for today. I'll try to segue this video with hopefully on Tuesday when the other locksmith gets their spare blank keys, I guess. That's a wrap for today. Welcome back, E-Crew. It's been a week since we've been trying to get keys for our Super73 S2, or we never had the keys for it because we bought it off of a guy who was the original owner. He showed me the receipt and everything, but it's been a week. I've tried like 3 different locksmiths and finally found a guy that got it done in about 30 minutes or less. Took him about 10 minutes finding out the right key size, and at his shop, Walnut, California. They're pretty near to me. They're called the Top Tech Locksmith Automotive Specialist, and they have good reviews. It was $40, but he tried a few different ones, whereas the other the other locksmith shops, forget about them. They wouldn't even try. And then some of them would say, oh, you have to leave your bike with them for at least a week to figure out the the type of key that they need, and I wasn't having that. I wasn't gonna leave my Super 73 S2 there, and yeah, he did the job under 30 minutes. Some of them were like Honda. He narrowed it down to a few keys. Some of them were like Honda, or this one I believe ended up being Kawasaki bike. The code is KAW5, and keep in mind there are actual different key sizes that Super 73 e-bikes have. Like this is my other my black S2. It's totally different in terms of length and thickness, and all they really need too is the code here. If you take a picture, Kirk will help you out beforehand, because his computer has these codes already. He needs these codes here to kind of create your key, and then just bring your bike there. And again, it was like under a 30-minute job, but finally got a key replacement for the battery, you know. It takes a little bit of jingling, but there we go. I couldn't find any place online that will show me how to get key replacements. This was way past warranty already, and if you're in this situation where you need spare set of keys, I highly recommend a guy. $40 for a key. At least we could kind of remove it and transport it where and when necessary. I actually hardly remove my e-bike batteries, but this bike is going to be my friend's. I'm going to be giving it to him soon. I feel bad because he needs one for his girlfriend. But yeah, at least we're growing our Super 73 family, and I'm going to be keeping and owning the black one, and I don't really need two Super 73 S2s. Again, his name is Kirk. $40 for a key replacement, and he does other, obviously other e-bikes, and he's actually one of the only few that will help you at that. Like, he's willing to help. Other people just look at you and they're like, no, we don't do it. We don't do that, and they just kind of like shrub you away from their business. But Kirk is awesome, and he's willing, and that's all you really need from a locksmith, right? Without having to leave your bike there at the shop. Well, thank you guys for tuning in on this quick vlog. Check out my useful links in the description below for additional discounts on your e-bikes. Like and subscribe for more content, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.